Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new session in which we will decode this problem. The number of solution of the equation this. So, we have an equation which we have to solve for x, and it is given that x is a positive number. Okay. So, let's try to crack this problem. First, look at this part. Suppose you have decided that base of the log should be x plus 1. I'll manage over here as well. Okay. So we have problem with this argument. So we will factorize this thing first. So 5 2s are 10. So it is 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 equals to 0. Okay. So we will take x common and from there we'll take 1 common. So it is 2x plus 5. Okay, so we did the factorization part. Now we will simplify this thing done. So we got this situation as log of x plus 1 times 2x plus 5 and base is x plus 1. Okay, now what I will do, I will take this power 2 of the next log, as it is the power of argument, so it will come at coefficient. So 2 times log x plus 1, and we have 2x plus 5 minus 4 equals to 0. Now look at this part. Can I write down this thing as log m plus log n? So it is log x plus 1 plus log 2x plus 5. Okay, and base is x plus 1, x plus 1. And here what we will do, we will break down this thing as log x plus 1 upon log 2x plus 5. Okay, we know that we guys can write log a base b as log a by log b. Okay, now this thing will become 1, so this will come over here, so it will become 3. So can I write log 2x plus 5 base x plus 1 plus 2 by, now we will write down this thing from bottom to top, not top to bottom. Top to bottom it is log x plus 1 base 2x plus 5, but if you go from bottom to top, it will look like log 2x plus 5 base x plus 1, and then minus of 3 because there was 1 plus. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now what I will do, I will take this component as y. So we will be left with y plus 2 by y minus 3 equals to 0. Now we will do the factorization part. So it is y square minus 3y plus 2. So it is y square minus 2y minus y plus 2 equals to 0. So it is y minus 2 and y minus 1. So value of y coming out to be what? 1 and 2. But we are interested in finding x, not y. So who is y? Y was log 2x plus 5 base x plus 1. So we will break down this thing into two components. So it is log a to the base b is a number. Okay, so when raised on b, x plus 1 power 1. This is your first component. 2x plus 5 equals to x plus 1 power 2. Now simplify this thing done. So x will come this side. So x is equal to minus of 4. Okay, you know that it was given that x was positive, so this minus 4 will be rejected, so this is not part of solution. So we are left with this situation, which is 2x plus 5 equals x square plus 1 plus 2x. So 2x gone. So x square coming out to be 4. This means x is coming out to be 2 and minus 2. You know that negative answer cannot be acceptable because it is given that only x is a positive number. So x equals to 2 is the correct value of x. Okay. So required x becomes what? Becomes 2. Okay. I hope the idea is clear. And the number of solution, look at this, they are asking you to find out the number of solution will be 1 and the value of x is what? 2. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.